nail friends. I have 2 videos for this week because I was absent last week and I feel bad, so I'm gonna give you another one. This is a quick, simple, easy one. It's a really quick one. This is still using or exploring the nail GlitterMama polishes that I ordered at a friend's request, client request. And so I ordered some brights because bright, kind of really bright pastel, almost, if you can think of it that way, is very popular for this season. So this is an on-trend nail set. And what I am doing is I had ordered these foils the same time I ordered the flower foils that I did earlier this month. And I thought they were super cute and they're super springy and even into summer and a lot of fun. So I use the bright colors just to have 4 different backgrounds, and then I'm just showing you 4 different ways that you could attempt to apply those foils in ways that are interesting and fun. So I don't remember the names of all the colors, but it is their most current collection. So if you check out GlitterMama polishes and see the current set for the summer, this would be the set that they would show you. It has also a yellow called Lemonade, which is more of a lime green. I didn't use that in this set, and they're pretty. And I'm going to throw around some nails. Anyway, so what did I do? So I put on the colors, and then I put a little bit of like an iridescent-y hexagonal top coat color on there. Just to give it a little glitter to the background because I didn't want to do too much else to the background of these. And then I'm using my Wildflowers foil to create foil coat to make a nice sturdy double-sided tape kind of stick for the foils. And then I just cut these butterflies out. I'll try to link the place where I got these. These were actually pretty decent foils. They have a clear background. I liked so they reminded me of stickers. If you remember stickers when, if you grew up in the 80s, they had these lovely holographic, kind of edges to them. And that's what these reminded me of. So I just thought they were a fun throwback kind of foil. So I did half of the really large butterfly on one nail and then half of the really large butterfly on the other nail. You could also do it on opposite thumbs. You could do it on 2 fingers next to each other. It makes it kind of fun. And what I'm doing right now is adding some additional detail, which I liked just to finish the set off. This is the Chrome Madame Glam Liquid Chrome Silver. And I adore this paint. It goes on like liquid metal. That's the best way I can describe it. It's amazing. It's got a mirror finish. It's just, I can't come up with enough fabulous ways to use it. I used it, if you haven't checked it out, I did a set of blooming roses with this metallic paint and it was phenomenal. So I highly recommend checking out that video and also possibly checking out the Madame Glam liquid chrome paint. I hope they come out with some more colors because I think this has so much potential. And to finish this set, just to have a little whimsy and as I felt like the set wasn't quite finished yet, I'm adding a little bit of detail with that same liquid chrome. And what I'm doing is just creating some little swirls and some sort of whimsical designs. There was no method to my madness here. It was really just what I felt like doing. So I feel like this is a very free play kind of set and you could create it in 1,000 different ways. I'm sure you have 10 ideas already of how to do it differently than I did. And we're just going to work our way down. I didn't film every little piece. I just kind of, did a quick here and there to show you. I don't think it's really difficult to do little swirls. Just the big thing is take your time and go slow. And remember, you can always take it off. You'd have to be a little careful around the foils, but if you mess it up, you could always just take a little bit of a wipe and wipe it off and start over again. So finishing that up with that last blue nail and just adding a couple little swirls there. We're going to put these in the lamp and let them cure for a minute. You do want to make sure you let them cure. There it is. That's the chrome paint. You want to make sure that it cures for a good 30 to 60 seconds, just so that it doesn't move on you when you go to top coat. And that is them just about finished. Aren't those cute? I thought these were really fun. Just for something different and easy. In the salon, this would take you probably 5 to 10 minutes to add to a client's nail, which makes it, an even better, fun, easy set. You could certainly do just one finger. You could do them all. Entirely up to you. I hope you enjoyed this set, and I will see you again next week. Back to regular recording. See you soon.